Hello friends, most Etsy sellers waste hundreds of dollars on ads that never bring results. But what if you could turn every dollar you spend into profits? In this video, I will reveal my exact Etsy ad strategy that will help you run profitable campaign on Etsy without wasting money, without guessing, and without even stress. Let's dive in. Welcome to EcomCorner Chapter 6, Etsy Ad Mastery. Friends, I'm Abhishek, and if you watch Chapter 5 video about Etsy SEO, you already know how to get organic traffic. Now it's time to take it level up and bring in paid traffic that converts. If you are serious about scaling your Etsy shop, this video is going to change how you run ad forever. So let's start. Friends, here is the truth. 80% of Etsy sellers turn on ads and just hope for sales. They don't test, they don't track, and they definitely don't optimize. As a result, they end up with lots of views but zero conversions. But Etsy ads are not the problem. The problem is strategy they are following. So let's fix that problem today. So I'm going to discuss now a step-by-step strategy. So for the very first step, we are going to discuss set the foundation. Before you even start running ads, your listing must be optimized. That means a strong SEO, clear photos, detailed description, and competitive pricing. If your product page is not ready, ads won't help you. They will just burn your money. In the step 2, start a small budget setup. So when you start with Etsy ad, don't go all in. Set a daily budget between $3 to $5 and test your top 3 to 5 listings. Run them for at least 5 to 7 days to collect data. Remember, in the beginning, your goal is not profit. It's learning which listing perform best. Okay, so in the step 3, we are going to discuss analyze the data. After a week, go to your Etsy ad dashboard. Look for CTR, click-through rate above 1%, conversion rate above 2%, ROAS, return on ad spend over 2x. Pause any ad that not hitting these numbers. That's how you save money and double down on winners. In the step 4, you have to take care how you scale what works. So once you find a listing that perform, increase its daily budget slowly, maybe $2 to 3 every few days. Keep tracking performance. If profits is consistent, scale further. The key is gradual scaling, not jumping from $5 to $50 overnight. So you have to observe everything, and according to that, just choose what is your best selling items, best performing on ads. So according to that, just choose that items only and increase budget for them only, just little by little. So in the step 5, target keywords intelligence. Etsy ad automatically use your listing keywords, so make sure your title and tags are optimized. Watch chapter 5 you miss that if you miss that. Add long tail keywords like handmade gold necklace for wedding instead of just necklace. This reduce competition and improve ad efficiency. In the step 6 and the last step, optimize image and CTR. Ads only work if people click them. Use bright professional photos with clean background. Add lifestyle shots showing your product in use. They outperform plain images almost every time. So you have a pro tip from us. Always advertise your best selling products, not brand new, untested one. Check your ads daily for the first week, then weekly after that. Use your Etsy stat plus ad data together to spot patterns. When an ad stops performing, pause and refresh the listing with updated tags or images. So friends, here I am going to show you how exactly when you will create an ad, how ad dashboard will look like on Etsy. So friends, as you can see the screen, Etsy ads dashboard. So you can see this is one of our customer started selling on Etsy just 1 to 2 weeks before, and actually on Etsy you can create ads after 15 days. When you will create a brand new account on Etsy for selling, you have to complete first 15 days. After that you can create ad on Etsy. So you can see we just started this on 1st October and it's 4th October today, and you can see 216 views, 7 click, and we spent $3. So for 1 week we are going to just observe things, how everything going. After that we will optimize our ad according to that. You can see I have started this just for $2 a day for beginning, and you can see the listing which we listed, and you can see 99 views in this. There are items, you can see the stat how exactly ads performing in this. So according to that, after 1 week we are going to just keep the turn on from ad over here, and we will turn off the rest of the item which are not performing well, and we are going to optimize, and then we will reactivate it, and also we can update our budgets according to that. So friends, so now you know exactly how to run profitable Etsy ads without wasting money. Start small, analyze your data, and scale smartly. That's how the Ecom Corner works. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below Etsy ad mastery. I will reply with my personal ad checklist for free. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, friends, if you would like to join us on WhatsApp for instant chat, you can scan the QR code from the screen, or you can ping us at 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.